Morning students. Today we will be discussing on herbs and spices. Myself Anup Kalita, course trainer of Food and Beverage Service from North Skill Center. Hope you will enjoy today's video. After today's session, our students should be able to briefly describe and identify different commonly used herbs and spices. Students, we often hear herbs and spices in our daily life. But do we understand what is its importance? Well, herbs and spices are mainly added for their unique flavor and taste that provides the completeness of every particular recipe. After completion of today's discussion, we will be having a clear idea of commonly used herbs and spices in our daily life. Students, before going ahead, first let's understand the difference between herbs and spices. Herbs are usually the leafy parts for plants and can be sweet or savory in flavor, whereas spices are seasonings obtained from parts of plant such as fruits, seed, bark, dried buds, stigma, roots, etc. Herbs can be classified into different types, such as culinary, medicinal, sacred, and those used for pest control, whereas spices are used to flavor and color food and often also used as remedies for some ailment. Herbs are mostly from the leaves from plant and used for providing flavor in cooking and health purposes and also for pest control, but spices are only used to flavor food. The herbs can be found in both fresh and dry forms, but spices will always be found in dry form. In coming slides, we will be discussing about various commonly used herbs and spices. First, let's start with some herbs. The first herb we are going to discuss is basil. Basil is a herb leaf found in both fresh and dry form. It is an aromatic green leaf from the mint family. It can be grown in warm weather. It is used in many dishes. For example, in tomato dishes, egg dishes, in salad marinades, in fish, compound butter, etc. Next is bay leaf. It is a whole leaf herb. It is stiff, dark green, oblong leaf, comes from a laurel tree. It can be used in stocks, soup, sauces, roast, braised meat, etc. The next herb we are going to discuss is dill. You can see the image of a dill flower in your slide. Dill is a herb which is found in both fresh and dried form. Both fresh and dried forms of dill have their own characteristics. For example, when a dill herb is found in seed form or in dried form, it is more pungent than when it is in leaf form. The seed form of this particular herb is used mainly for pickling, soup marinades, etc. And when it is in leaf form, it is used for salad, soup, fish, vegetable, sauces, vinegars, etc. The next herb is fennel. Fennel is a aromatic herb which is used for flavoring. It is used for scenting soaps and perfumes and even candies. In food part, it is used in flavoring pastries, sweet pickle and fish. Next is oregano. It is a pungent herb and it's native from Italy and Mexico, where it is grown domestically. It is more or less used in every dishes of Italian and Mexican cuisine. Apart, it is also used for tomato sauces, soups, pizza, stew, meats, and potatoes, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about parsley. It is another herb which is found in both dried and leaf form. It is a green leaf which is curly and flat with delicate sweet flavor. It is an excellent source of vitamin C as well. It is used mainly for garnishes in fried items, stews, sauces, salads, vegetables, and also in potato dishes. Now, the next herb we are going to discuss is rosemary. Rosemary is a whole leaf herb. Its light green leaf resembles pine needles. It is very aromatic herb and used in lamb, fish, beef, sauces, soups, stews, salads, and marinades. Chive is the next herb we are going to discuss. It is found in fresh, dry, and frozen forms. It resembles pine hollow green top of a very small onion. It is used commonly in salads, egg, cheese dishes, fish, soups, and sauces. Next, we are going to discuss tarragon. Tarragon is found in pickled form as well, apart from fresh and dried form. It is delicate green herb that has mint-like small oblong leaves. It is used to make tarragon vinegar and in chicken, fish as salad dressing and in egg dishes as well. Thyme. Thyme is found in fresh, dried, crushed or ground form. They are aromatic, tiny, brownish green leaves. They are used in soups, chowders, stocks, sauces, meat, poultry, salad, etc. Next herb is sage. Sage is a whole rubbed or ground herb leaf found both in fresh and dried form. It is a pungent grey-green herb with fuzzy leaves of oblong shapes. It is used as stuffings for meat, poultry, soups, stews, etc. This is another common herb called coriander. Coriander has a light green aromatic leaf in shape of flat parsley but have much more pungent flavor than parsley. It is used in salads, salsa, sauces, soups, dressings, etc. Next herb is lemongrass. It is a very popular Asian herb. It is native to the tropics and subtropics of Asia, Africa, and Australia. It is cultivated mainly for its flavor and for extraction of its essential oil. It is commonly used herb in all Asian cuisine. Next is very popular herb called mint. It is an aromatic herb with cool flavor. Supermint and peppermint are its most common types. It is used in lamb, foods, tea, desserts, etc. Let's discuss about few commonly used spices. The first one is cardamom. Cardamom is tiny brown seeds, white or green pods, and are sweet and aromatic in nature. This spice is also very expensive. The native of cardamom is India and Guatemala, and it is used in pickling, Danish pastry, in various curries, etc. Next spice is chili pepper. Chili pepper are native to Americas and are cultivated in warm climates around the world. Chili peppers can be eaten fresh or dried and are used to make chili powder and to flavor barbecue, hot curry, and other spicy sauces. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a Indian spice which is found in either stick or ground form. It is an aromatic bark from cinnamon or cassia tree with a reddish brown color. It is used in preserves, stewed foods, bread, pastries, desserts, etc. Next is saffron. It is a very expensive spice from India. It has a bright yellow color and mild distinctive flavor. It is used in most of the Indian and Arab cuisines. It flavors and color baked goods. It is used in rice, potato, soup, sauces, curries, meat, etc. Now we are going to discuss about 5 spice powder. 5 spice powder is a spice mixture of 5 or more spices used predominantly in almost all branches of Chinese and Vietnamese cuisine. It is a mixture of anise, fennel, cloves, cinnamon, and anise pepper. 5 spice may be used with fatty meats such as pork, duck, or goose. It is used as a spice rub for chicken, duck, pork, and seafood. Hope you have now understood about herbs and spices. I am closing my class for today with this. Thank you.